putting together fittings for a modern irrigation system. It's quite the transition for workers at Al Nu'man factory on the outskirts of Baghdad. What was once a place for making cluster bomb components is now churning out pipes and tubes. Engineer Sabah Ali has been working here for 20 years. The turnaround, he says, is life-changing.
We make irrigation systems, something that serves humanity. We now feel we're serving mankind rather than making something destructive.
Once among the sites visited by UN weapons inspectors, it's one of the dozens of factories which under Saddam Hussein were involved in military industries. But by orders of the post-invasion US Administrator Paul Bremer have realigned their production for peaceful purposes.
Everything here at this factory has largely remained the same. The staff, the workshops. The biggest difference really are these newly imported molds to manufacture the factory's new production line, such as this one here used to make the base of gas cylinders.
At a recent business fair in Baghdad, the restructured firms showcased their products. Al-Shahid company, which used to make mortar shell casings, is now producing copper wire and brass used in musical instruments. Another company went from heavy artillery to the gas cylinders business. As for this newly unveiled bomb disposal robot, it's the pride of Al-Karama company, once associated with missile production. Despite relying heavily on government subsidies, managers say they're modernizing.
We're supported by the Ministry of Industry in many ways. Our financial standing is like most state companies. We suffer from overstaffing, but we're trying to gradually overcome that.
But the main bulk of their production goes to other state entities. Marketing to the private sector has been difficult, say salespeople, particularly as the country's markets remain flooded with high-quality imported products. Rawya, Rageh, Al Jazeera, Baghdad.